Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to become a pro in Minecraft easily. By doing this you can also become a pro in Bedwars. But first I am going to clear the weather and also time day. And first, to become a pro in Minecraft, this is the first step. First you can do this, practicing like this guys. It is some hard for beginners, but I practiced this for so many days and I am a pro in this. See guys, I practiced this for so many days. And also I was practicing for TNT launch. Like I am going to how I am doing. See guys, oh no, TNT, take the TNT and see guys how I am doing. First we need to place the TNT and light up it. Then 1 2 3 4. Oh no, wait guys, 1 2 3 4 5, and then like this. Then it will boost your jump guys, like this. See again, 1 2 3 4 5, and see, did you saw guys? Normally the jump is like this, but with TNT you can jump higher. Like, oh no, I missed it. 1 2 3 4 5, and did you saw guys? From here to here I jumped 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 blocks, but normally you can only jump 4 blocks. And this is very important method guys. You need to learn this perfectly. For beginners it is some hard, but if you try and try, you can, it will be easy for you as well. First time it was also hard for me, but I tried and tried and tried. Then I got it like a pro, like this. See guys, wait guys, what is happening to me? Wait guys, what? See guys, I was practicing this for so many days, and see guys, my world is now like this. See guys, I busted some TNT here, and I will now going to show you the second method. These are the tips for becoming a pro in Minecraft PE guys, not for Java edition. Okay, now the second method is tapping so many times. Like see guys, I get so much combat by tapping so many times. Like see guys, my fingers are so much muzzled and I tap so much fast because I trained this for so many days. Like see guys, is this not cool? I practiced this for so many days and this worked. Practice makes you stronger guys. So please do like this. See guys, I'm very pro now. Like this. First we need to jump and tap it, so we can make so much damage and it jumps fast. Like this side. See, tap so many times and so much fastly. Wait guys. Oh no, it got killed. See? method to improve this by sprinting and killing it faster. And also parkouring, guys. Like see, I am seeing up and catching the wool. If I jump like this, we need to place a block. We need to be alert and be a pro. But I am still learning, guys. I am only some pro with this. So oh no. Or you can do like this. Wait a minute, guys. And if you want to go to the block, it's not coming then. And you need to bridge faster, guys. And you can also try emerging, guys, like with water bucket. It can also improve your skills. Like take a water bucket. How to do the MLG easily, like take a water bucket and jump down and place water. It's very simple, guys. High places, it can be some hard because we are going to fall fastly. And see, guys, like this you can be a pro. And I can also do like this back. Did you saw that, guys? If you want to be also a pro, then learn these skills, guys. You need to practice this. If you practice this, you will become a pro conformly in Minecraft PE edition. It can also help you play in Bed Wars, because Bed Wars is very important, guys, in Minecraft. See, guys, I am going to show you this one more time. And after this, I am going to make a video on how to play Red Ball 4, guys. Bye, guys, and this is it for today's video. Bye. Meet you in the next video.